Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I'll start a new session. It's about how you can install OpenCart and OpenCart theme in your web server. In our previous video, I already discussed about where you can download OpenCart. We already download OpenCart 3.2 version and we just added that things in our exercise file. So before you install the OpenCart, you have to create the database in your web server. For finding out the web server, there is the mahincart.com. So that is one of my client domain. Okay, so we will work our project onto this domain. For educational purpose, I am using this one. So first of all, you have to go to your cPanel. So I'm just copy our main domain name, then slash cPanel, then click on the enter. Then it should be automatically redirected to the cPanel logging option area. And you can see that is a cPanel logging option area. For education purpose, I'm actually using this Bluehost. So whatever the web hosting you are using, you can always find out the cPanel. So first of all, you have to go to your cPanel logging option area, then put your cPanel username and then password, and then click on the login. Then it should be redirected to your cPanel option area, and all that cPanel is little bit same. Okay, so for now they have the file manager option. So there is a file manager. I will discuss that things later. There is the database option area, and you can find out some of the domains on here, emails. So a lot of the option is actually onto this cPanel option area. So for now, creating the database, you have to choose the database option area, and in the database option area you can see there is a MySQL database. So now click on here. So for creating the database, there is a create your database name. So for education purpose, I am using the shop, and now create the database. So that is our database name. I just copy that things and open the notepad and add that things on here because this information will be required soon. Okay, so for the reasons I just save that things in our notepad option area. Now go to back. We already create the database name, and now that we have to create the database user. For education purpose, I am using ushop. Okay, that means user shop. So whatever you want, you can actually add the things on here and put the password. So for now, I'm just adding the password on here. Education purpose, I'm using Bangladesh. Okay, so I'm using this one. I just copy that password and paste that things on here. And they have the another option is password generate. So you can also create some very much secure password on here. So you can copy that things, you can paste that things on here. For educational purpose, I'm actually using this one. For now, it's okay with me. That is our database username, and put the password and the password again, and now create the user. So our database user is also created. So I just copy that things because these things will be needed soon. Okay. So now I add that things on here. So that is our database name, that is our database password, and that is the database username. Okay. So now go back. So now that you have to do most important things, like there is the add user to database. Okay, so that is very much important. So we created our username as this one, that's ushop. So I select this one and select the database, that is the shop. And now you have to add that user into the database. Okay, so select on add. And now they have option. Now select on the all privilege. So there is all privilege option and the make changes. Yes, our database is totally created. Okay, now go back. So we successfully created our database, and make that sure you save all that information, like there is a database name, this database password, and database username. So in installing the OpenCart, you need all that information. So make that sure you save it. Okay. So I hope you can well understand about it, how you can actually create the database from here. So in the next video, I will show you how you can install this OpenCart in your web server area. So thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.